The 2025 Citroen 2CV is back, combining its iconic charm with modern sportiness. Imagine a classic 2CV reimagined with high-tech features and a sportier feel. This isn't just a car, it's an homage to history, wrapped in a cutting-edge design. Okay, let's start with the front of this beautiful car. Citroen has retained the round headlights, a signature feature that dates back to the original 2CV, but has added a futuristic twist. Now surrounded by LED accents, these lights create a blend of old and new that feels both nostalgic and fresh. Heading to the rear, the updated 2CV retains its vintage look, but with some notable upgrades. The taillights follow the classic design, but now feature sharp, modern LED elements that make it stand out on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Citroen 2CV takes things in a completely new direction. Gone is the original two-cylinder engine. Instead, we'll likely see a small turbocharged engine, or even an electric powertrain. Sporty styling cues, such as the quad exhaust and low stance, suggest that the new engine will give the 2CV a more agile feel, suitable for city driving and the occasional twisty road trip. Inside, Citroen has perfectly balanced the 2CV's classic roots with modern technology. You'll find minimalist yet high-quality materials, with hints of vintage styling throughout the cabin. The seats and dashboard have hints of the original design, but are updated to today's standards of comfort and style. In short, the 2025 Citroen 2CV is a perfect homage to the French icon. It captures the spirit of the original while reimagining it into a sporty, high-tech vehicle for today's roads. This 2CV is designed to make you look twice and redefine what a classic car reborn is. Thanks for checking out our review of the 2025 Citroen 2CV. If you enjoyed the blend of classic style and modern innovation, leave a comment below. And remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more content about cars that combine the best of both worlds. See you keep moving.